Hey everyone, welcome back to the detailed explanation on how to claim Exide battery warranty. In this video, I'm gonna explain in step by step process of claiming battery warranty, so don't skip any part of this video. I have purchased this battery on 29th March 2021 and I found the battery is not getting charged after completion of 24 months. If I had noticed that if my battery is not charging within 24 months, then I would have got new battery without paying any money. That means the replacement might have been done at 100% discount. But I have already crossed 24 months when I had noticed that the battery was leaking, and 26th month was running when I went to get my battery replaced, where I had to pay 50% from my pocket on MRP and 50% was discounted. In the step 1, I would recommend all of you to check the health of your battery before 24 months so that you can get new battery at the cost of 0 rupees. So this video is particularly for Exide battery users and those who purchased the battery which is having 48 months of warranty. In the second step, in case if you found your battery is not charging, then immediately go to the Exide authorized sales shop for replacement. To get the replacement, you need the original warranty card of battery and along with the battery, but you can retain the fasteners with you. Photocopy in mobile or Xerox copy is not acceptable for replacement. Also note that don't visit small battery shops where they are selling multiple company batteries. Example, I have visited a shop where they are selling Amaron and Exide batteries. So the shop owner told he is going to take the battery and keep it under monitoring for 48 hours by charging it to check if it is in good condition or not before replacement. So I told to the shop owner that I will check in other shops to get immediate replacement and left that shop. I found few Exide shops on Google Maps where they are selling only Exide batteries and visited one of nearby shop and submitted my warranty card. In the step 3, produce your warranty card to the shop owner along with the battery. Main thing you should note that the warranty cannot be claimed for physically damaged batteries as per terms and conditions. Warranty can only be claimed for batteries with internal faults like battery is not charging or dead or leakages. In the step 4, the shop owner will test the battery on the spot if it is good or not. Before you go for battery replacement, get it charged fully to check. In the step 5, once the shop owner tests the battery for fault and confirms the battery is faulty, then he starts the process immediately by using his sales WhatsApp or Exide app for replacement. In the step 6, you calculate by yourself how many months you have crossed with the present battery and which month is currently running. Example, as I earlier said, I have already crossed 24 months and I am at 26th month where I have got 50% discount on the battery. In case if you are within 24 months or running in 24th month, then consider you are lucky to get 100% discount. Be careful that some shop owners will cheat you by giving 10% less discount. In this case, you have to just reject it and go to the genuine shop. In the step 7, calculate the discount by yourself without depending on the shop owner. Question is how to calculate the discount. See, I will explain this in clear way. Now, you are getting replacement battery, which means new battery. Check the MRP printed on the new box and take the calculator and type MRP minus 50% or 40% or 30% discount, which is equal to replacement price which you are going to pay to the shop owner. Example, if MRP is 1678 and you are in between 28 to 30 months, then you will get 45% discount on 1678 rupees. Like this, you have to calculate the replacement price. You don't have to pay any single rupees above the discounted price. In case you are taking any help of a labor at the shop, then he might ask for 10 or 20 rupees as fitting and removing fees. Always check the date of the battery. If the battery is more than 3 months old, then you should ask for battery which has date of manufacturing within 3 months. This is the complete process of getting replacement battery from Exide authorized shop. It's better to watch this video again for clear understanding. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, share this video to all the bike users. I have already uploaded many bike service videos and I will keep uploading in coming days. For my best efforts, you have to participate in growing this channel and make it a successful channel.